Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from Binance. First thing first, go to Binance and log into your account. Tap Wallets at the bottom of the app, then select Withdraw. Choose Cash for fiat withdrawals. Now from the list, select the fiat currency you want to withdraw, for example USD or Euro. If you don't see your currency, check which ones Binance supports in your region. Now choose a payment method like bank transfer or card, and if it's your first time, add your bank account details or link your card. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the fees and final amount you receive, then tap Continue. Binance will ask you to complete a security verification like 2FA, SMS or email code. After confirmation, your withdrawal request will be submitted. Processing time depends on your withdrawal method, like bank transfers and instant card withdrawals, usually within minutes. You can track the status under transaction history, and that's it. Your fiat will be transferred to your chosen withdrawal method once the process is complete. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.